Mugavana wa kaunti ya Kiambu Mheshimiwa Kimani wa Matangi niko bona mwachirie igatia baraikuru ase kaunti eyo abo bakwamereria hubaraibuae asokoenekia siasa chuburi mwigoro ya magendro ari agenderire koenekia Matangi niko bona sabira bananchi koenekia bona nkomobwate sebare eri achikoikirania chira chiae echiabarierete koenekia bona nachikobaikirania.
Those people who want to compete with us wamekosa agenda, wanaona tumefanya kazi ya development, so they have invented something new. The best way for them is now to look at how to soil what you have done by promoting negativity. Ndio unaona mtu anakuja sema tepika watoto hapa nini, hawa mothers wamekataa kukua released, what have you. All those the many things you are seeing is intended to water down the work that we are doing. We agree, we will say no. Ama namna gani jameni? Don't permit, do not permit those people over your sweat, over the nights you have sacrificed, over the days you have stood long there and you've endured and you've supported patients, you've gotten into even life-risking ventures to go get patients under emergency, to even treat patients with contagious diseases. Ama namna gani? Yeah, you've taken all those risks. Then somebody, because they want to be popular, one day they come stand there and they start saying things that are not true about what you are doing. Let us say no. Let's not encourage them. Don't entertain anyone. We are telling the people, if you want to come compete, go down and soil your hands, work. You know, pull up your socks, show what you can do. Propaganda cannot deliver anyone. Ama namna gani jameni? So musikubalie hiyo kitu watu wanajaribu kufanya wenye wanataka viti, go to work. Tell us what you have done. If it is those MPs, how much CDF money goes through the hands of an MP in a cycle of 5 years? Over 1.5 billion. Show us what you've done with 1.5 billion in your constituency. The governor is responsible for 12 constituencies. We have 13 municipalities. So if you combine what every MP has gotten for those 5 years, say 1.5 billion times 12, how much is that? It's in excess of close to 15 billion, isn't it? Show us the work for 15 billion. You know, don't come to say this one or those. Show us. It's your work that speaks. It's the record of what you've done. So defend the work that you do. Let us ensure that you don't stop, don't look backwards or look sideways to those that are saying those things that are contrary to what we have done. And we'll keep on. And KIAMBU will be great.